Welcome to Baba Eats. Today we're going to try out the roast tandoori lamb. There are spices and herbs, and around it you can see tomatoes, onion. With 3 hours of cooking with tomatoes and lemon and onion, the juice will come and mix with the meat. I can feel the taste. It's going to be great. Now we're going to put this in the oven for 3 hours. Oh yeah. I can't wait to taste it. It's been in the oven for 3 hours. Wow. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Okay, you can see it's all ready. We've got potatoes, we've got salad. So what I'll do, I'm going to just cut this piece. Can you see? Really nice and soft. Excellent, excellent. Okay, let's see. Potato. This is good. Really nice. The herbs in the meat, they really, I can feel, yeah, definitely the herbs, and the meat is really soft. I'm not struggling with the meat, and of course the sauce that has come out from the lamb is just delicious. Can easily serve a family of 4 or 5. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, please share with your family and friends. Thank you very much for watching.